In today's video, I will walk you through how to create receipt in Square. First, head over to www.squareup.com and sign into your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the left side of the screen and use the search bar. Type in receipts, and you should see the receipt settings appear under Payments. You can also access the same section manually. From the home page, scroll down and click on Settings. After that, click on Account and Settings. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Payments, and then click on Receipts. Wait a few seconds for the page to load. Once you are inside the Receipts section, you will see the branding settings for your receipts. You can add or print a logo from here if you want it to appear on your receipts. You will also see a preview of the receipt on the right side of the screen. This preview will display the items, totals, business details, and other information that customers will receive when a receipt is printed or sent by email. As you continue scrolling, you will find more customization options. You can add business details along with social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can also adjust how item totals and descriptions appear on the receipt. There is also an option to show the total savings row whenever more than one discount is applied. Continue going through the available settings and choose the details you want to include on the receipt. The receipt section is not fully editable, but it does allow you to customize the important business information and details that customers will see after making a purchase. Once everything is set up, receipts will automatically be sent whenever someone buys something through your website, store, or POS system. You do not need to manually send the receipts yourself. Customers will receive the receipt through email, and it will include their purchased items, totals, business information, and the details you added in the receipt settings. That's all you need to do to create and customize receipts in Square. Thank you for watching.